When you find something you love, you share it with your sisters, your mom, your girlfriends, and since our staff considers you, our viewers, our friends, we really do. We dedicate a little time each week to share our favorite finds in the Studio 5 Love List. So today we are sharing a rare product for your bathroom that you might be skeptical about at first glance, but could be just the find you've been looking for. It's a quick dry bath mat, also sometimes called a stone bath mat. It's made of a slick gray mineral called diatomaceous, and it's super absorbent. So you step out of the shower or the bath, you can literally watch the water evaporate in seconds. Are you ready? Water, this is the bath mat. Here we go. You might be skeptical at first, but watch. It seems strange to not have a soft, fluffy mat underneath your feet, but look at that absorb. A producer's daughter actually saw this at a friend's house. They're now using it at their house, and they're loving it. So it's scratch-free, it's porous, so it gives you that natural grip to keep you and your family safe from slipping. And there you go. Oh, here it goes. It was pooling for a second, but now it's kind of drying. There you go. You can grab this from Bed Bath & Beyond for about $35. It's called the Quick Dry Bath Mat by Haven. It's our ad this week to the Studio 5 Love List.